Hey friends, so today I wanted to give you an update on this mat that I created about 6 months ago. Give you an update on how it's weathering at the front door, how the ink held up. As you can see, the ink held up very well. My mat is dirty. It's at the front door, people coming in and out all day long, but the ink itself held up really well. I was able to grab a microfiber cloth and some water, and you can see I actually was able to clean off those letters, and they cleaned up really nicely, and the ink stayed onto this mat really well. So all in all, I've been really happy with how this turned out. I definitely would suggest in the future, I would recommend using brighter, bolder colors. You can see the flowers were pretty muted, and I knew that as soon as I inked this mat, but the white looks real nice. So like I said, all in all, I'm really happy with how this held up. I am going to try and spray my next one with Flex Seal just to see how that holds up different than just sealing the ink. But now it's time to create some holiday mats. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure and like and subscribe.